I know y'all are tired of seeing in the office and me keep getting on this camera, but I know y'all like, when you gonna finish the office, huh? I know, cause all my friends is like, when is the video coming out? Like, when are you gonna be done? So this is where we are. Mother, father, this will be cleaned up when you get here. I'm making the bookshelf for the school room. Yes, it's total hot mess in here. But it's coming along nicely, except for the fact that I realized that this one has to be on the back. And it's not. Now I gotta figure out how to get it back there without undoing everything. Ah. Shopping and it's raining and I don't have an umbrella. I just hope I can get to Kirkland's before it gets to like raining cats and dogs. So I'm in Kirkland's and you know, the bottom fell out the sky. They have some stuff that I'm looking for, but it's like it's either too long or too high in price. So we're gonna have to see. Hope they have it in TJ Maxx or Ross. Or Target, or Target. We gotta go out on places, so this rain need to hurry up. So it's about 7:13 Friday evening, and I got the chair. Oh, you can get a glimpse of what the chair looks like right now. Oh my God, I love it so much. Ah! I wish this was my office. I have some more things in the car. A bunch of stuff over here. Oh, well, I got food too, but there's some stuff over here, some stuff down there, and whatnot, some stuff in the trunk, and a lot of the other stuff I already brought it over here. So this office will be done by Monday.
cannot believe this is my office. Michael, this is more than I could have expected. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh, that is so cute. Man. I love this lamp. This is nice. Where did you get that?
The unit?
Yes.
From Walmart.
Really?
Yes, I was shocked too. I got the lamp from Walmart too.
I like the little lavenders. You got the lamp from Walmart?
Yes.
This is so cool. I can't believe it. You did such a good job on that, Michael. That is
Thank you.
That is beautiful. I love that. I love that. Oh my gosh. You did. It's so good. Oh my God.
I've never heard you use "oh my God" so much.
I know. I can't believe it. I just can't believe
Her
it.
boss lady chill.
Oh, we got oils in the drawers.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that. That is cool. They fit right in there.
I know. They stand up and everything.
Oh, you got the little look. This is my keyboard, right?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Oh, Michael, thank you.
You're so very welcome.
Look at that picture. I love it. That is so pretty. And the elephants. Oh, and you got my baby.
It's a crazy picture of him, but
I
it's he
know.
looked up.
It's my baby. I love it. I love it. Oh.
This sucks! I like this. This is nice.
I can't stand him.
This is messed up. I ain't got nowhere to put it. Y'all can bite me.
Oh my God.
Come back.
But it's nice. I like it.
Look at the pictures. He doesn't have you in here, but look at
Not
that.
yet.
He got my baby. Jay.
Where is Nyla?
Look at my Hawaii picture.
Where's Nyla?
I will get her. Look, they were last minute pictures, so I didn't have time to search for her on my phone.
Is that printer working?
It will be. We just got to get it.
Oh, it's wireless. So.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
What's good? What you gonna put over here? Nothing?
Nothing. That's the walkway.
You like those mirrors?
Who did that?
Michael.
You recovered that?
Mm-hmm.
I like that. What mirrors?
Behind you.
Where my I Love Me wall gonna go?
Not in here.
Ooh.
This ain't right. I had some of my stuff in here.
Mickey, this is my office.
I'm
And I'm loving it.
Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed that video. My mom really, really likes her office. I hope you liked it too. Like, I haven't heard her say, oh my God, so many times in one setting before, but she did, so. It took me a while to do this room, but I think it came out really well, and I'm proud of myself, and I'm just really glad that she likes it, so yeah. Expect more of these videos because now I'm really motivated to get my house done. So stay on the lookout and subscribe if you're not already. Leave a comment letting me know what did you think of The Office? Give me some feedback. And I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, bye now.